Now we move on to investigating phototropism. In this experiment, 3 identical seedlings are placed under different environmental conditions to observe how light affects the growth direction. In the first condition, setup A, the seedlings are exposed to light coming from only one direction. In the second condition, setup B, the seedlings are placed on a clinostat that rotates slowly, allowing light to reach all sides of the shoot equally. In the third condition, setup C, the seedlings are kept under very low light conditions to observe the growth in near darkness. Now we are discussing the process for investigating phototropism. In this experiment, 3 identical seedlings are placed under different conditions to observe how light affects the growth. In setup A, the seedlings are exposed to light coming from only one direction. In setup B, the seedlings are placed on a clinostat that slowly rotates, allowing light to reach all sides of the shoot equally. In setup C, the seedlings are kept under very low light or near darkness to study the growth without significant light exposure. Each setup helps us compare how plants respond to directional light versus uniform or minimal light conditions. In investigating phototropism, several observations can be made from the different setups. In setup A, where seedlings are exposed to light coming from one direction, the shoots bend and grow toward the light source. In setup B, where the seedlings are placed on a clinostat and light reaches all sides equally, the seedlings grow straight upwards without any bending. In setup C, where seedlings are kept in very low light or darkness, they grow upright but become tall, thin, and pale, with yellow leaves due to insufficient light. The results demonstrate that directional light causes shoots to bend toward the light, showing positive phototropism. When light is evenly distributed from all directions, as in the clinostat, bending does not occur. Meanwhile, lack of light leads to weak, elongated growth with pale leaves, highlighting the importance of light for healthy plant development. In conclusion, the investigation of phototropism shows that shoots exhibit positive phototropism by bending and growing toward a light source. This bending occurs because of unequal exposure to light, which directs the growth. Additionally, light is essential for normal and healthy plant development, as seedlings deprived of light become weak, elongated, and pale. So, that wraps up Chapter 15 on coordination and response in plants. Don't forget to check out the topical notes linked below, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.